Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. Probably you all use Spotify because it's one of the biggest streaming music apps. Sure, there are other streaming music apps out there, but what I like about Spotify is that you can actually earn money from it. Yes, you heard that right, I found a way to earn money from Spotify. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite things with you about this method. One of the best things about it is that it works worldwide. You can literally earn money using this method wherever you are right now. If you're still unsure, take a look at my earning. I travel to various places and I earn money wherever I am, so you can imagine earning money anywhere in the world. Watch this video.
Did you know that you
if
can
have
earn tons of
Spotify
money
installed on your phone or computer, since once you know how to do it, you'll be able to start doing it. Is Top 4 Earn and welcome to my channel where I teach you methods for earning money online. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like. Alternatively, you can leave a comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions. Now let's get started. Okay, I won't make this video long and let's head straight to Spotify. As you can see here, it is a new Spotify account that I created specifically for this video, so you will see how well this works. If you don't have a Spotify account yet, just create one for free. If you don't have one, yes, you can have your very own Spotify account for free. So now is the time to sign up for an account on Spotify. If you don't have one yet, now to sign up for an account, simply go to their homepage and then click on this button right here, and then they'll ask for a few details which you need to provide. You can also sign up for an account through your phone. Simply download Spotify from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and then sign up for an absolutely free account. Once you have your account on Spotify, I will show you later on a not secret website which I use to earn money from Spotify. As you can see on their homepage right here, you'll be paid simply by listening to music. If you're excited to know more about this website, watch the video all the way through instead of skipping a few sections, because you won't be able to see the step-by-step tutorial on how to use the secret website. I thought the process might be a little challenging, so I've included on this video a step-by-step tutorial so that you can follow it, so that you can earn money simply by listening to music. The truth is that not many people discuss this on the internet, since not many people know how to properly use it. I had tested this out and was able to earn money from it after I spent some time researching the website and how to make money from it. Now when you go to your Spotify account, you'll see that they actually offer you a lot of choices for songs to listen to. You'll see here that they've divided this songs according to its popularity, genre, artist, and they even create playlists which are specially curated for you. If you love chill songs, they have a playlist for that. If you love rock songs, they also have a playlist for that. If you want to listen to a playlist, simply click on it and then you'll be taken right away to the playlist. You can see here that this playlist was created by Spotify and it has this amount of songs. To start playing songs on this playlist, simply click on this play icon right here and you can now start listening to Spotify's music. One of the features in Spotify is that you can create and curate your own playlist. So if you like a couple of songs and you want to listen to those songs, you can create a playlist for that. Here's how to create your own playlist on Spotify. The first thing you need to do is click on this create playlist option right here with a plus sign. You can then start adding songs on that playlist. You can add as little or as much as you want. You can add songs from different genres. You can add songs from various artists. You can add songs for dancing or eating, or even when you're in the bathroom you know some tunes to sing to. You can do all that right here. Right now you can go over Spotify and start creating a playlist. You can name the playlist however you want and then start adding the songs that you want. Once you've done that, you can now use this playlist to earn some passive income. Yes, that's correct, you'll be earning a passive income from your playlists. This means that you can simply set it up once and boom, money will start pouring into your account. That's cool. Right after having a playlist, I will now show you the way to earn money from it. I'll be showing you a step-by-step process so that you can follow through, and if you ever get confused, you can always play that part again and again until you get it right. Here's a tip: you can bookmark this video so that it will be easier for you to find it later on. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, the way to earn money from Spotify is becoming a curator. What you essentially do as a curator is listen to music, create a playlist, and then wait for your earnings. It's that simple. Don't worry, you won't need some kind of certification to do this. You won't need any experience because this is perfect for newbies. You can do this even if you haven't done music curating before, so you better stick around to know how to do it. Now you can see right here that this website is being trusted by some of the big names in the music industry, which means that this website is legit. When you scroll a little bit down, you see here that you can earn money regularly through your submissions. So the more playlists and submissions you make, the more money you can actually earn. But as I've said earlier, this is a passive income, so you only need to set it up once and then you can proceed with other stuff. When you scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see their conversion table. You can basically see here how much you will earn per submission. You can see here that the earnings you'll get is somewhere between £100 to £800. Now if we convert pounds to dollars, you'll see here that it's actually a lot of money. There's really no reason for you not to do this, so let's not proceed with what you need to do next. What's nice about this is that you can basically do this again and again depending on how much you want to earn. As what a famous quote says, the sky is your limit, and that's true because you can literally do this from anywhere in the world. So the website where you can make your submissions is this one called musicgateway.com. This is the part where you need to really focus on the video, since the sign-up process in this website is somewhat intricate and you might get lost along the way if you decide to skip through some parts. Once you get lost, you will not be able to earn anything, like literally $0. I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to earn money from this website, so you better watch this video all the way until the end. Once you're on this website, simply scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to find this button which says apply now. Click on that and then you'll be redirected to another page which is for curators and influencers. This is the page where you can sign up for an account so that you can do your submissions and earn money. To start with the sign up process, simply scroll down on this page and then you'll be able to see these boxes where you need to provide some details about yourself. I will now give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to properly sign up for an account on this website. So the first thing you need to do is provide your name and your email on these boxes. Make sure you provide the correct email address so that you'll not have any problems later on. The next thing to do is click on this drop-down menu and select your country. As I've mentioned earlier, you can do this from anywhere in the world, so you'll not have any problems on this part of the sign-up process. Okay, on this part, since we've created a Spotify playlist, tick the Spotify box right here. The next thing you need to do is provide the link to your Spotify playlist. I'll show you later on how to do that, but let's answer this question first. You can simply say around 400 to 500 playlists, since that'll get you paid £100 to £200. Next is to choose the genre of your playlist. You can choose more than one, so if you have a playlist which has mixed genres, you can click more than one. I would suggest you choose all of the genres so that they'll know that you're really into music curating. What you need to do now is go back to Spotify and then click on search. Simply search for pop on the search box and then hit enter. You can now see all these fonts which are all pop songs. If you want to see more songs, simply click on this one right here and that'll show you more pop songs from various artists. Next, you need to click on create playlist right here and then give a name to your pop playlist. To add songs to your playlist, simply click on this one right here and then add it to your chosen playlist. Simply do this again and again. Since you need around 200 playlists to earn £100, it's actually fine if you only have 10 to 15 songs on your playlist, but if you have more time you can always add more songs to the playlist. Don't forget to create a name for your playlist so that Music Gateway will be able to identify the type of playlists that you've created. The last thing I want to show you on this video is how to get the link to your playlist. Now when you go back to your playlist, what you can do is click on this icon with 3 dots and then on share. Can see that you can copy the link to this playlist. If you have more playlists, you need to copy the links to those playlists and then submit them on Music Gateway. Just remember, the more playlists and submissions you do, the more money you'll be able to earn. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Top 4 Earn, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.